Hi guys, in today's video we are going to cover the third part and the final part of any of the website, which is your email ID, right? So what we are going to use is Zoho email, which provides you the free email ID, I think 5 email ID, if it is for the just basic use, right? So what we have done so far, right? We created a website, we got the template, right? So, and this is how, and after that, sorry, we use the Firebase to deploy, right? Let me see if the recording is going on. Yeah, recording is going on. Okay, this is the website now. How it looks like. We have added many things, images, videos, and then the testimonials over there, and then the contact email addresses over here. Their WhatsApp, all this thing. Only thing doesn't look good over here so far is this email ID, right? So I still use the Gmail domain. What we want something like info gohappytrails.com @gohappytrails.com, right? So for that, what we will use is something called Zoho Mail. This is the only company which provides you free access. So if you scroll down to min over here free forever where it gives you a 5 user email ID. Okay, what it means by 5, so let's say we create let me open the notepad. So how many we can create is 5, right? So if I open over here something like info at the rate this thing, right? And similarly like admin and so on. So 1 2, so similarly 3 4 5, that's it. You cannot create more. For more, then you have to go with the paid plans or the plans which they provide over here, right? And it also there is a limitation of 5 GB per user. 5 GB means that's the number of GB space that you will get in the mail server. Okay, so what we will do is we will sign up for now, right? We I have already sign up, so I will just logged in to that. The process will remain the same. So I have used the Gmail ID which we have. Okay, now it asking me what to do, right? Create a domain based on the our domain or by Zoho Mail. So what we want to do is we want to create using Zoho email. Sorry, not the Zoho, our gohappytrails.com, right? So for that, the first step will be to verify your domain, right? So click add over here. Before that, let me log into GoDaddy. So let's add, click add over here and copy this till here and click add. So once it adds, then there will be a verification steps, right? It required so that they know or Zoho knows that okay, you are actually the owner of this domain. Otherwise, anybody can create domain from anybody, right? So if I go and let's say by create a Facebook, right? Um, I cannot have admin at the facebook.com, so that will be quite wrong. Anyway, so the steps for adding text file and all this thing is same like we did for last time for I think Firebase, right? The site is hosted in Firebase, so if you see it's quite fast, it loads quite fast, and then we have different drop downs over here. I can select any of that, and then you can see the loading is quite fast using the Firebase. Let me go to my DNS. Where's DNS? Okay, so what is saying we have identified your domain is okay. That is correct. Add a text file record. So we will add a text. Go to the add DNS record, add new record. Okay. So text at the rate or leave it blank. Okay. So we will select text. We will mention at the rate, and then we have to copy this text value and put it over here. And what is the time limit they have kept? You may have to wait for 30 minutes or 1 day to change your TTL value. Okay. So TTL value we have around 600 seconds. Okay. And click save. Once I do that, what it will do is uh, globally. Okay. So once it, what it will do is it will try, we will do the verify record, right? Verify text, it will stay, it will fail. So we'll wait for a couple of minutes, then we will come back and see if it is verified or not. Okay, so after around 5 minutes, I clicked on verify text and it has verified my domain. Okay, so verified domain is success. Okay, and this is the next page which we gave, and it says that I have proved that I am the owner. Now I will proceed and it will do the DNS mapping. For that, it will ask to add again philo details, right? So that it can uh, configure the mail forwarding. Okay, so one by one we will add again. We'll go back to over here, add new record, and first one is mx, so we will add mx. Okay, what is the value they required? In all, it is at the rate. Okay, and value as this one. Oops, and priority as 10. And what else? Okay, we will put it 600. Yes. Okay, add more record. Again, it's a mx at the rate. Uh, priority 20. We'll copy this. Priority 20. We'll copy this and put custom as 600. Again, for other, we will be doing. You can skip to around 1 to 2 minute timestamp. Uh, for if you find this, if you have understood this stuff. But for me, I have to configure because this is required for my friend website. So mx is done. Now we will do txt, add more record, txt at the rate value as this custom and 600. One more record they are telling me to add, so that is again txt. Now over here is this thing, and txt value is over here, and we have added the value. Save all records. There are error, please try again. Oh, save all. Okay, getting error. So what I will do is I will add one by one so that I say which one is giving me error. I can filter it out. So for now, I will pause the video. So by adding one by one, I was able to add all the MX. Then in the next page, if I go, you will see the other text entries that we have over here added. Okay. So now what we will do is again, I will pause. I will click verify all. Uh, okay. Oh, it is verified. Okay. Only these two is still pending. So click verify. So it will take around 30 minutes or so to create. So we'll again pause the video and come back again once it's all verified. Okay. So still pending for after certain times, but what it's saying is we can still go ahead and create users. So let's say save time and create. So let's say we create a user with info as a name. Uh, let's download this image, save image as somewhere over here. Okay. And why I'm doing this is so that I can add a image to the user. Okay, so videos, and I will go to website and Happy Trails. So that is a name. Uh, we need info as a name. So it will be info@gohappytrails.com. That is what we have. And let's create a password for the user. So I will not explain what I'm creating, but force user to not change and click add. So once I do that, let's click save. Okay, password done. Go to the created user. Okay, so now you can see that we have a one user logged in over here. So what I will do is I will go to Zoho mail and logging with that account. So it's a info at the red go. What was that? It's a big name. Gohappytrails.com. So that I will do over here. Next, it's asked for the password. Okay, sign in. What did I forget? Okay. So what I did is I changed the password and I will try again the new password since I think I have done a typo over there. Enable multi-factor at authentication that I will not do. That is his problem, the owner of this email. Now what you can see is I have logged into the Zoho mail and it will show me what to do here and there. Display time zone is okay, all okay, all okay. Access Zoho mail. Okay, so what I will do is I will drop an email to myself and see if I'm able to send, because for now only receiving email is the challenge since MX is not verified. When I say MX, so what I have to do is go to domain and see over here MX is not verified yet. I will click verify. Oh, it's done. Okay, so now I can do send and receive email both. So let's test it out. Uh, uh, Test sending. Okay, so sending and click send. I will log into my Gmail and see if I get an email or not. Maybe it may go to the spam, so that I have to check spam. Not here and not here. Oh yeah, we got it. See, we got the email info gohappytrails.com. Now what we will do is we will reply, and what we will do is we will go over here and click on inbox to see if anything comes. So we will delete these two. And once did I send message sent reply? Okay, so we got the email over here. Testing send and we got the reply. And this is how we configured a free Zoho mail for our domain. Now I can go ahead and modify the email address over from this gohappytrails to something like info@gohappytrails.com. So this looks more professional and that thing. So hopefully you like the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.